Welcome to the future of warehouse management. In today's fast-paced supply chain world, businesses require a seamless and efficient system to manage your warehouses to gain the competitive advantage. Introducing our warehouse management system to streamline operations and boost productivity. First step is to identify the optimal layout, define master data, put away and picking strategies and configure strategies to create a digital twin of your warehouse. Managing the process of inbound process through receiving goods against various orders into the warehouse, including tasks such as unloading, verifying shipments, inspecting for quality, put away, and invoicing with the use of IoT integrations. Fruicy is empowered with ASN and EDI processes to make the inbound process faster and better. Manage the inventory planning, movements, adjustments, cycle counting, transfers, and visibility to have 100% accurate inventory anytime, along with efficient use of warehouse space and volume. Manage the process of outbound through executing order fulfillment to all outbound orders including customer orders, supply chain transfers, and more efficient and faster process of picking, packing, shipping, invoicing, and proof of delivery, and more. Let us look at the key features of Fruicy warehouse management operations and advanced capabilities which help you to achieve excellence in warehousing. Powered by AI and ML, process mining, and integrations with IoT, you make your warehouse operations truly world-class. Welcome to Fruicy Warehouse Management System, help you to achieve world-class warehousing operations powered by AI and ML and process mining capabilities. You can see the homepage containing the module of Fruicy Warehouse Management. The solution supports multi-organization and multi-warehouse and multi-long concept. You can operate with single solution to cover all warehouse operations across the supply chain business network. The first step in implementation of warehouse management is to build the digital twin of the warehouse. To build the digital twin, warehouse master data such as products master which contain detail info like this. Same like you should build suppliers, customers, etc. Need to set up, configure warehouse layout with the dimensions of floor space, racks, columns, levels, store aisles, locations, and bins. Once the configuration is complete, the warehouse is operational. The digital twin look like this. The warehouse layout is a top view and you can see the bin positions. By hovering on the bins, you can see the levels and inventory with complete information. We can search by product and the system show the inventory with appropriate color highlight based on the legend. We can see the warehouse stocks, locations, volumes, and all the information by clicking on the proper icons. This way, the warehouse layout can be seen and used for almost all the operations. This is very handy for the managers to have the inventory and order visibility across supply chain. Let us look at the inbound process. Based on your requirement, the inbound operations can be performed against a purchase order, supply chain transfer order, sales return, and production receipts. In case of 3PL operators and want to have direct receiving of the shipments, you can do this also with direct GRN concept. Let us create one purchase order to start the demo. Insert a purchase order header and add lines. Majority of the fields are auto-filled based on the master data setup. You can print purchase order in required formats. Import or export purchase orders through Excel or integrate with any ERP to enable automatic order creation. After creation of purchase order, appropriate authority can approve the purchase order by clicking on Raise PO button. We can have optional gate entry operations tailored to organizational preferences. Some organizations opt for gate entry and exit recordings for enhanced security. These recordings provide detailed logs of personnel and vehicle movements. Additionally, you can perform gate entry operations while also capturing precise timestamps for unloading activities. Quality inspections can also be documented, ensuring a comprehensive record of all logistical processes. The goods receiving note can be prepared against the purchase order, or if required, GRN can be done directly without purchase order as well. Bulk uploads are available in case if you want to integrate either advanced shipment notifications or Excel files. During the GRN process, necessary information of batch, production date, shelf life, and all other information can be maintained as per your business requirement. The most important step in warehouse operations is to complete the put-away process. The put-away process can be performed based on the configuration of put-away strategies in the master data. To put-away strategies can be configured based on how you want to store in the system, or how the system should drive you to select zones and bins automatically. Go to Put-away process screen. You can select the order against which you want to complete the put-away process. Based on the put-away strategy, the solution will recommend appropriate storage bins/locations for the product. Fruacy take care of space requirement, storage patterns, and best practices and recommend where to store. The user can select the purchase order and click the button to start the put-away process and end the process. Put-away process can also be done through mobile application where you can use barcode scanning or product and locations to complete the process seamlessly without errors. This process empowers you to do the put-away faster, better, without errors. You can also do partial receiving, perform quality inspection, and move the products to quarantine, return the products to suppliers, and more as per your need. You can look at the inventory update after put-away process in the inventory module. For example, select the particular item and see the inventory updated instantly and accurately to have the live inventory visibility. There are multiple reports available to view the inventory. We can have outbound orders against sales orders, supply chain network orders, or any other outbound orders. Let us create a sales order for the delivery. You can create sales order for a supplier and add sales order lines against the sales order. All necessary features required to create a proper sales orders are available in the system. Once you create a sales order, the concerned manager can approve to release the sales order to delivery. Picking process. If you are using gate-in and gate-out processes, we need to do as first step to allow delivery vehicle to pick the shipment. The picking will be done based on the sales order automatically recommended by the system based on the picking strategies. The picking strategies include first in, first out, first expired, first out, last in, first out, and more. The system allows you to have manual pickup option based on your business need. After picking process complete, the shipment needs to be made so that the warehouse operator can check and confirm the shipment for delivery. All necessary information required for shipment track and trace like truck number, etc., can be maintained in the system. A tax invoice can be printed for each sales order to ensure proper documentation and compliance. These printed invoices can then be distributed to the relevant managers for review and record keeping. This process helps maintain accurate financial records and facilitates efficient sales management. You can perform value-added services such as packing, repacking, co-packing, and labeling in the warehouse. The charges for particular value-added service can be added in the invoicing. Workforce module help you assign employees to put-away and picking processes. The warehouse supervisor can assign the tasks to the employees through employee schedule. The employees can find the tasks assigned to them based on their login and perform the tasks such as put-away, picking, transfers, packing, co-packing, repacking, labeling, loading, and unloading. The timestamps are recorded automatically in the system to enable to register the times and also measure efficiency. You can see the employee tasks. You can see employee performance and help them to optimize the performance. Planning module. Based on the Bill of Resources configuration, the solution recommends all your resource needs for next 2 weeks. All necessary resources like workforce, equipment, additional shifts, and more can be identified and kept ready to avoid firefighting. The capacity planning can be performed automatically for inbound orders and also for outbound orders. Supply chain transfers. Fruacy has a fantastic feature to have the warehouse-to-warehouse transfer. The transfer order can be created from one warehouse with proper selection of items very easily. Once the transfer order is created, then automatically the delivery warehouse will be notified with the updates. The picking, transfer, and put-away process can be performed to complete the supply chain transfers. Fruicy empowers you full control through track and trace of each step of the warehouse to warehouse transfer. The billing module is very critical, especially for 3PL operators. The billing is performed automatically by Fruicy based on the storage space utilization by the customer. All kind of billing features are included in the billing module. We can also know the overall billing of the customer by day and calculate it on monthly basis. Barcoding. All inbound, outbound, transfer, and other operations are powered by barcode-based operations. The overall process can be simplified through scanning of the barcodes. The necessary barcodes can be printed for products, bins, locations, and processes. Integration. Fruicy Warehouse Management System is very user-friendly to operate and also integration-friendly to build the integration with SAP S/4HANA and other Tier 1 and Tier 2 applications. The solution also integration-friendly with transport management systems and other line of business systems. Fruicy Warehouse Management System can have advanced reporting functionality, provides real-time insights into inventory, shipment status, and order fulfillment rates. Customize and automate reports to streamline operations and make informed decisions for enhanced productivity. Fruicy intuitive dashboards provide real-time insights into inventory levels, ensuring you stay updated on stock availability. Monitor shipment statuses effortlessly, keeping track of inbound and outbound deliveries. Track order fulfillment rates to identify and address any process bottlenecks. Customize and automate your dashboards to streamline operations and drive informed decision-making for enhanced efficiency. Thank you for watching. If you want to have demo access or you want to speak to our WMS expert, please feel to contact sales@datalabsindia.com or reach to 779-979-8333.